Welcome back everyone. Eagle-eyed viewers will have noticed I'm not in the studio, I'm actually in the car. We're on the road at the moment. But I did bring with me the SY-1 Syncussion from Behringer. And in this video, you probably can see where this is going, I'm going to see if I can make a complete track using just the SY-1. Can it be done? Let's find out. So there it is, a complete track made using just the SY-1. Now at this point in these videos, I usually say, if you want to know about the sound design, ask me in the comments. But honestly, I just ran one sequence through the SY-1 and just moved the sliders up and down and just messed about with it. And I think that's what the SY-1 is all about. It's an inspiration machine, because by using it, by experimenting with it, I'm coming up with sounds that I couldn't make anywhere else, and I'm making music that I wouldn't have thought to have made, which is literally the essence of inspiration. It's inspired me to make music that I wasn't going to make. And honestly, that is the most fun I've had making one of these videos. So if you want to get your hands on one, I'll post a link in the description where you can get one. And if you've watched this far, thanks for watching. See you next time.